Welcome to another video right here on FE Builds. We've got something awesome and I wanted to share this experience with you, and that is the unboxing of the MJX Volkswagen Polo. We received this car from WRC 633. You can find his channel on YouTube, and he runs an awesome RC shop and he always takes care of us. He knows that I'm very much into rally cars, so he let me know as soon as he was getting a batch of these, and one was secured for me. So I'm quite happy, I'm excited, and I think it's going to be good. I think it's going to be a great mission over here. So let's get this car out of here. Okay, so I took it out and it just looks amazing. It's so satisfying to hear that sound. On this channel, we love 4x4s and rally cars. Rally cars are also 4x4, but I mean like proper rally models and actual rally cars. So I'm excited. I think we've got something good to work with over here, and I must say it looks really nice. Just look at the front over here. Just looking at this, wow, look at that detail. And I've got rims and tires that can fit it, that are very nice, obviously from Timu. Look at that. Polo RC 7th scale. A rally Polo 7th scale with a nice mini driver in there. If it's got two, it's actually got two. There's the box over there. Apparently the lights work and everything, so I'm quite excited. Let's get this off. My hands are a bit oily because I've been working on Mando, the Jeep, so I don't really want to get my fingerprints all over the car. Isn't that nice? Okay, so the rest of the stuff in the box, let's see what's in here. I had asked Sean to add a sound card to it. I hope he never forgot. Oh, there we go. Sean, you are a star. If you're watching this video, thank you so much. What's a rally car without those WRC rally sounds? We're gonna do what we did with the Citroen C3. It's just we had the other ESS sound card on that one. I see it comes with the tool for the tires and a small, what looks like a screwdriver, Phillips, and then it's got the rally tires over here. So I believe it's got the road tires on. Yep, that is confirmed. You can actually see them. Those are the road tires on. And these over here are the rally tires. I think I've got some nice rally tires I might put on. I hope I've got spare black ones. Here's the remote control. They come in this box. So you're not going to get this standard if you ordered this car, but it's something that I ordered extra, and I'm adding it into the car. So this is the flat one. I never knew how much space is in there. I haven't worked with this car before, or the bigger MJXs, so I'm quite keen to see how it will be. Looks like we've got a Fly Sky remote over here. Sorry that these videos are so rough, but the whole purpose of this channel is to make videos that don't look like they're made in a studio. Videos that give you the most real experience, what you most probably will experience yourself at home when you unbox it, and you get the user manual. Very important to keep in the shelf, although I never read mine. I might make a change for this one, just make sure I know everything and everything's good. But that's the box. You get a spare set of tires. These are the rally tires. It comes with the road tires pre-installed, which is quite cool, quite awesome. And then I asked Sean to send me this sound card. So we're gonna put some nice rally noise to this car. Hopefully it's not as loud as the other one, because with the Citroen C3, it's quite loud. But I'm just amazed at how this Polo looks. I mean, it's like, it looks legit like a Polo, like proper. Obviously you can see the drivers on this side. So this is a overseas vehicle. in this part of the world, the steering would be on that side over there, but it switched around. So I'm not complaining, I'm happy. It doesn't affect my scale rally car driving. So let's enjoy this car. Okay, so quickly just going through the chassis. We'll start from the front and work our way through to the back. The body is clipless. The front has a section that actually goes through here, goes in here, and there's magnets on the side that holds it on, and at the back there's magnets and there's a clip that you actually turn and secure a latch. But let's start at the front. It's got a nice thick foam, which I think is really good. You can see how thick that is, and at the bottom it's got a bash plate, which is very, very good. Some cars only come with the foam over here. Looking at the shocks feel very nice and plush, and it's got metal shock towers, which is very nice. You can see the front diff is nicely closed. If I can just get this phone to, it's nicely sealed, which is good, so rocks and dirt don't get in there, because where you drive a rally car there's going to be a lot of dirt and grime and things like that, and small gravel stones, which we found with the Rolalo XTS F10, that small gravel stones would get in and cause the system to jam up. I see over here, it's a very clever system. They've actually taken steps to avoid that, but I'll get to that soon. At the front here, it's also got a sway bar, and it's got this aluminium support system over here, and another support going through, a brace and a brace going down, which is really good. At the front you can set the toe in, toe out, and you can also set the camber, which is very, very nice. It's got the servo over there. It's got this small piece over here, which if you know MJX, then you're familiar with this. This is the gyro. That's where you set the gyro, and I believe right under that is the receiver, and I believe it's a Fly Sky receiver. There's the ESC right there, and one thing that I really love over here, and it makes it very nice, because you don't really need to worry about putting a cover on it, or if leaves or dirt or stones get in it, because they've actually lifted the drive line up, so there's quite a bit of distance from the bottom, so stones won't get jammed in there and then grind away that drive line. In the center of the gearbox and the center diff, you can actually see that it's sealed off nicely. It's sealed off on this side by the motor. You can actually see there's no space for grime and for grit to get inside and jam up the motor, which is really nice. There's that small gap there, but I don't think stones are going to get in there. And now we work our way to the back. You can see it's also got a sway bar at the back, which is very nice for a rally car. At the back, I was a bit disappointed that you can only set the camber. You can't set the toe in and toe out, but that's fine. I think it's preset. It's enough at least for a rally car to be able to set the camber. And obviously these are aluminium shocks. It's also got a metal shock tower at the back, quite thick. That looks like it's 4 millimeters. And it's got a nice bumper at the back over here, and basically doubles up as a rear skid plate, which is very nice, because rally cars sometimes will land and hit the bottom like that. So that's very cool. It's good that they thought about that. I'm actually very happy with this build, and also very pleased with this buy. But this is the inside, and it's got some magnets over here and some posts. So I'm quite happy. I'm actually watching a bit of TV and then recording this video over here at the same time. So I just paused the TV quickly to record this. But I'm happy with this setup, and I think it's quite good. And it's got enough space to fit a nice 3-cell in there. I love the fact that it comes with the XT60 connector. So it's pretty much sorted. The only complaint I have is I don't know if they forgot to put the screws on the fan over here. but that was missing. But apart from that, everything is fine. Because I have a whole screw set, then I can just pick out the screws that fit in there. Most probably you'll find the exact same ones. So yeah, at the bottom you can see that aluminum bracing, and it's got a metal plate at the bottom, which is very good. Instead of just plastic, it's got metal and plastic, so it's a good mix. And I think it's matching up very well to the hard hitters out there, the big companies, the big names. So I'm quite excited about this. But we're going to do some mods. The first one is put that on, and then we're going to put the new tires on. We're going to see if we've got some tires that are very, very nice. It'll go with this Polo. So let's see what we do. But yeah, that's a wrap for inside the car. And next we'll go into a comparison between this one, the Polo, and the C3. This is by MJX, and it's the 7304. And the C3 is the Traction Hobby or King Motor, I forget the exact number, but I just call it the King Motor C3. So if you want to see that one and how it looks inside on the chassis, just search on the channel and you'll find the video for that. But this Polo body is so amazing, and as you can see from the clips, it looks good. It looks very realistic, very scale, and that's nice for a rally car. Okay, so this is just a comparison. We've got the Traction Hobby C3, and I won't lie, I am tempted to swap the bodies, because obviously this one is a C3 that's a Polo, and I like Polos, but this has all-wheel drive and rear-wheel drive, which is really nice. So if you're on a drift, you can just flip it into rear-wheel drive and you can drift. I don't remember if it's got front-wheel drive. These for me are more, because of my love for rally, they're more models that I just keep up and treat well, and I don't drive them that much where they get damaged. But you can see a comparison. The wheelbase is pretty much the same. If you look over there, let's move it forward slightly so they line up. So the front is lining up, the back is lining up. It's got the road tires on the Polo right now. It's got rally tires on the C3. Although the Polo just looks so awesome. Both have drivers inside. The C3 is a bit dusty. It's got it on both sides. I've got a nice white set of rims that are a bit better than the rims that the Polo comes with. So I might actually put them on. It's just an unboxing and a comparison over here, and we will definitely release another video which will include the test run and also the modifications that we're going to do on the vehicle. This one has a speaker in it, as you know, and it's got a metal plate at the bottom. Independent suspension all round, as you can see. It's also got the sound bar already in it to produce those rally sounds, because when you drive a rally car, it needs to produce rally sound. This also has a metal plate at the bottom, but it's got a different kind of chassis. This is a tub, whereas this one's open and flat. So you can see I've actually installed the net that protects the center from getting dirt and leaves and stuff in it. But both of them are clipless. This one uses another method to open. It's got clips on both sides at the bottom. When I say clipless, it doesn't have those body mount posts coming up at the top, back and front. This one here has a different method to open it. I believe there's something at the back that you turn. The sides should be magnetic, and yeah, then it slides out to the front. So let's just check that theory. Is the sides magnetic? Yeah, the sides are magnetic, which is very nice. see from the top view. Just line them up nicely. And that's a wrap for this video. Thank you for watching. Until next time, cheers.